Here's your weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi for Thursday, June the 5th, 2025. Today we'll look at the potential for severe weather beginning Friday and continuing through early Sunday morning with a slight risk of severe storms over portions of the area. We'll take a look at the heavy rainfall potential that could lead to some localized flash flooding through the next week. And it's that time of year, and we'll take a look at the tropical weather outlook. As far as the severe weather potential is concerned for Friday, it looks like during the hours between 4 p.m. and 10 p.m., we could see a slight risk of severe storms over areas mainly north of the Highway 82 corridor Friday afternoon into Friday night. Damaging wind gusts to 60 miles per hour will be the primary concern, with hail up to the size of quarters also being possible. South of the Highway 82 corridor to just north of the I-20 corridor, a marginal risk of isolated severe storms will be possible during this time, with damaging wind gusts being the primary concern, but up to quarter-size hail not being ruled out. A better and more widespread chance of severe weather will be possible Saturday afternoon into Sunday morning, as one or two complexes of thunderstorms are expected to affect the area. Over locations mainly along and north of the I-20 corridor, a slight risk of severe storms, where storms will be capable of producing damaging wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and hail to the size of quarters will be possible. South of the Interstate 20 corridor, a marginal risk of isolated severe storms will exist, with damaging wind gusts being the primary concern, but up to quarter-size hail not being ruled out. Taking a look at the rainfall totals over the next week, with these increased chances for rain through next Thursday, it could yield a widespread 2 to 5 inches of rainfall across the area, particularly over locations north of the Interstate 20 corridor. Currently, while flash flooding is not expected, however, localized flash flooding is possible, especially in areas where multiple rounds of heavy rainfall occur. With the increased rain chances each afternoon, today through next Thursday, this could result in slightly below normal high temperatures each afternoon, as they generally top out in the 80s. Then overnight lows will remain mild and only fall into the 70s. Then as far as the weather through the extended portion of the forecast from Sunday through next Thursday, rain chances, mainly in the form of scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms, will remain in the forecast through at least next Thursday across nearly the entire area. And lastly, taking a look at the tropical weather outlook, over the next 7 days, no tropical cyclone activity is expected. Thank you for tuning in to this briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us via one of the methods listed here.